Hey guys, I was just walking through the woods and I saw this little hut up here. Like a person hut, like someone was living there. So I'm gonna sneak on over there. I'm gonna go see if there's anyone in there. Like if there's like a serial killer or something. Look at this. Look at this. It's a little cave over here. Oh look, there's a little suitcase over here. Spot over here. Looks like where someone was. Anyone in there? God, that's creepy. Oh, somebody climb out through here. I heard something up there. Grab something in it. Okay, I'm leaving. This is so creepy. I'm too scared. I'm a scared cat, so like this video. If I get 20 likes on this video, I'll do a part 2. And I'll actually go into the hut and not just get close. If I get 20 likes on this video. Ah. Crap. I can't get through. Ow. Oh God, my shoe. I heard someone. There's a person over there. Oh no, I'm supposed to be over here. But this is so creepy. Like, I just want to leave now. So if this video gets over 20 likes, I will make another video on this, and I will actually go into the hut. I'm so scared. This is creepy. Oh, look at this cool tree. I'm scared. This is creepy. Oh, I keep hearing weird sounds. Yeah, I brought some oranges in case there was someone there, if they needed food or something, like a homeless person. But I've seen this before. I saw it a long time ago, like a couple years ago, and I didn't know if it would still be here. There would be a dead body in there or something, because I wasn't over there last time I came here. Oh look, there's a deer track. Oh God. I haven't been here in a long time, so I saw it a little while ago, and I didn't make a video for it because I didn't have a phone yet. So, yo, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm gonna duck, get down low. There's a car. I don't know if I'm supposed to be back here. Boy, I'm scared. God. Oh God, I heard someone. Oh God. Can't get through here because it's so thorny. It used to be smaller. Ow. There's my bike. Just gotta make it to the bike without getting caught. Hope no one sees me. Oh crap, I gotta get down low. There's a car coming. Oh God. I keep hearing weird sounds behind me. I'm gonna get out as fast as possible. There's so many thorns. I just stepped on one and it hurts so bad. I need to go spray my shoes off. I need to get out of here. Oh God. There's a lot of people over there. They're scaring me. God, my hair. I wonder how many people have come back here and seen that hut and actually told someone. Jeez, if you live in April Sound, come down here. It's in Lakeview Village, right next to it. Come down here and come to the woods over here. God. Car. I don't think that person saw me. Oh God, there's someone. Okay, I'm gonna get out as fast as possible. I hear another car coming. I don't know why it's so busy. I'm so scared. I want to be able to get out, but like, I keep seeing cars and I don't want to get in trouble. If you live in April Sound, come over here and, oh crap. Get down. Crap. Oh my god, I'm so close. They can definitely see me. Shoot. Pig. Jesus. Oh, there's deer tracks everywhere. Oh my god, there's a dog track, like where a dog was. What if there's wolves back here? That's creepy. Oh look, there's a bone. Jesus, that's scary. Wonder if people used to bring their dogs back here. This is so freaking creepy. I'm out. I got it. I did it. Okay. Ow. I got pricked. That hurt. Oh, Jesus, my feet. Well, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll make another one. Bye.